Hey y'all, so today we are going to visit the Mahalakshmi temple in Okkesin, Delaware. It's about how much? 130 miles from here, so it takes about 2 hours 15 minutes from Virginia, Herndon, Virginia actually. So let's get going. Say hi to this guy. Say hi.
Hi.
We'll be leaving soon then. Bye bye. What?
I want to drive a car.
You want to drive this car?
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
I want to drive a car.
Where?
Drive on this way. This way.
But where do you want to go?
This way.
That way and where?
This way.
Where from there?
Just there.
What is there?
There.
काय तिकडं?
This way.
What is there?
This.
कुठे जायचंय तुला?
This way.
Where do you want to go?
This way.
Who is there?
This way. This way.
This guy. Did you get the masks?
No.
Why?
Because I forgot.
Go get it.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
लॉक करते का परत?
Yes.
माहिती आहे तुला कसं करायचं?
I've lived here as long as you have. Okay.
Bye.
तो जास्त
Not too sunny today. It's cloudy, but yeah, doesn't matter. We decided to go, so we are going. And my kids are fighting in the back seat, which is as usual. The younger one is just 3, but he acts like he's 13. So there we go. So that's the port of Baltimore, as you can see. You can see some ships, docked over there. So we have to go through this longish tunnel, and it's quite interesting, Always been fascinated by tunnels since childhood. So this is the rest area. It's more than 80 miles I've driven now. It's time for a break. It's called Maryland House. This exit is on the left, which is not easy to take because I'm mostly on the right side. Anyway, so this is the rest area. There are like so many restaurants here. I was thinking I could get a coffee, but I might get late to the temple. The temple closes at 12:30. And there is a long line for coffee. So I think I'll skip the coffee part. Look, it's a long line. It will take at least 10 to 15 minutes here. I don't think I might want to go. So let's just go home. That's it. 15 minutes away.
Wow.
Just 15 minutes away now. Yeah, so when I first came to the US, the first temple I went to was the Sai Baba temple in Irving, Texas. I was surprised to see that it was set up inside a small, shed or a shop kind of a thing. I mean, on the same line, there is a restaurant and there was a laundry and there was something else, and then between there is a temple. It was just like a shop, you know. It kind of disappointed me in the beginning, but then I learned that that's how things work here. There is a small shed or a small enclosure, and then they acquire a land and a big land outside the city somewhere or in some nice location, and then from there they build a temple that actually looks like our Indian temple. So this is one such beautifully built temple, and look at the gopuram and all. It's so well decorated and well carved exteriors, looks so beautiful. And because of COVID restrictions, we were only allowed till here. You can take darshan from that door, and but from there you have to return. I mean, you can't go inside, but inside I've been inside before. It's a beautiful place, and here is a darshan for all of you.
Wow, where am I going?
This bell here, I don't know how you ring it, but the other true great attraction of this place is this giant 25-foot Hanuman statue that's been set up on a pedestal just outside this temple. This is the tallest statue in the United States of Lord Hanuman. It looks so beautiful. Look at that divinity. I mean, there is so much power emanating from this statue that just the look of it makes you feel so empowered. Jai Bajrang Bali. Beautiful. Going to temples has always been a part of my culture and upbringing. I always love visiting temples. While in India we used to go on any day we wanted, but here we have to wait for the weekends because going to a temple is an event in itself. And with kids and all, you just have to take care of so many things. And temples basically are like a day trip mostly. And many places there is, many big temples have cafeterias in their basement floor or somewhere around the temple, and there is some amazing lunch that they serve, lunch and snacks and anything that you can think of. It's just a beautiful day trip. Look at these surroundings. I mean, you feel like so divine and feel so relaxed. All your stress goes away. That's what temples do. They just purify you, and they energize you in some way. That's what Hindu faith is all about, being well and hoping everyone else is well. I hope you all like this video. Please subscribe for more. I'll be visiting more temples in the future. Thank you.